students, welcome back to your English class. Students, in this class we are going to start the future tense, the time which will come in future. Okay, so we will learn simple future tense and future continuous tense in this video lecture. Now let's begin with future simple tense. Students, we use simple future tense for the actions which will take place in future. Okay, so let's start this. To form any simple future tense, we need subject, will or shall, plus verbs first form plus object. Okay, for example, Ram will write a letter. So you can see this example, Ram will write a letter. This sentence is showing that Ram will write the letter in future time. Okay, so this is the future tense. Now students, where to use will or where to use shall? Students, we use will with the subject I, okay, and we. Sorry, we use shall with the subject I and we. And remaining other subject we use we. Clear? Now Ram will write a letter. If you want to change it into interrogative, what you need to do, you all know that you will change the place of subject. Now helping verb will be at first. Will Ram write a letter? And because it is interrogative, we will insert question mark. You can see that this is the positive sentence. This is the interrogative sentence. Right? Now we will change this sentence into negative. To form it into interrogative, we just need to insert not after the helping verb. And what is the helping verb in the sentence? The helping verb is will. Okay, so we will insert not after will. So let's see. Ram will not write a letter. Okay, Ram will not write a letter. Now which kind of sentence is it? It is negative sentence. So negative. Okay, now we will change this sentence into interrogative negative. To change it into interrogative negative, we first need helping verb and then a subject, not write a letter. And now this sentence is interrogative and interrogative negative. Clear? Now how to change or how to form interrogative sentence using WH word. To form interrogative using WH word, we need a WH word first. You can take any of the WH word like what, who. Here we are taking who. Who will write a letter? Who will write a letter? And now this is interrogative sentence with WH word. Clear? Now the last one is interrogative sentence using WH word and negative. Okay, so who will not write a letter? and the question mark. So this is WH sentence plus negative. Clear? So these are all the sentences. This is number 1, which is positive. This is interrogative. This is negative. This is interrogative negative. This is WH word sentence, and this is WH word with negative sense. Okay, so these all are the 6 parts of the sentence if we talk about the future, simple future. Now let's move forward and understand the next part. What is next? Now we are going to read about the future continuous tense. Now where to use future continuous tense? We use future continuous tense for the actions which will be continue in the future time. I am repeating, we use future continuous tense for the actions which will be continue in the future time. Okay, so let's learn the structure and understand this tense with some examples. Okay, so the structure will be subject plus will or shall plus be. Because it is continuous tense, we will write verbs first form and ing, and then we will use object. Okay, so this is how you can form future continuous tense. Okay, so let's take the example and understand it. Ram will be writing a letter. Ram will be writing a letter. It means Ram will be continuing writing a letter in the future time. Okay, now this is the positive sentence. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to change it into interrogative sentence. To change it into interrogative sentence, we need a helping verb at first. Will Ram be writing a letter? And because it is interrogative sentence, we will insert question mark at last. And what kind of sentence is it? Interrogative. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to change this sentence into negative. To change it into negative, we will just insert not after helping verb. Ram will not be writing a letter. And this is negative. Right? Ram will not be writing a letter. Now let's change it into interrogative negative. Will Ram not be writing a letter? And the question mark. And then we will make it into, change it into WH word. What or who will be writing a letter? Who will be writing a letter? This is the sentence. This is the interrogative sentence using WH word. Now to change it into negative, we will write who will not be writing a letter. Who will not be writing a letter. So these all are the 6 parts of the sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how you can form various sentences, interrogative, negative, WH word and all. So this is all for today's class. We will continue with the next other two types of sentences in the next class. Till then, do practice of present, future simple tense and future continuous tense. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.